Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Update of 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 882, so let's get things started. Just doing a very quick run through itself. So, as you know, right now it's currently towards the year end itself, volume is really running thin, and we're not seeing a spike in terms of either way as well. You can see Bitcoin actually tried to go towards the low, and we actually reached towards 16.3k region, and now we're back to 16.5k. So, I do think we're going to consolidate very likely around this very tight spot, but we do intend to actually break out likely on the 3rd of January or onwards itself. It could be slightly later, could be slightly earlier, but I would think leaning towards slightly later in that sense. So if we do break out, there's a potential likely that I will trade towards the direction. But if we do break towards the upside, then I'll be a little bit more cautious, and then I'll wait for a clear confirmation break on the daily chart before entering a potential long side trade on the day trading time frame itself. But if we actually do break on the downside itself, I may not potentially wait for closing candlestick itself, and may actually be more aggressively in terms of short, simply because right now we are still leaning towards the short bias in that sense. All right, in terms of S&P 500 and the US market in general, we are leaning towards neutral to slightly a little bit more bearish, simply because we are a little bit more towards the downside. But bear in mind, short-term wise, it could have a little bit bounce because we have been over support over here, support over here. And then over here, similarly, same thing. We are forming a potentially higher low as well. But consolidating over here is tentatively a bearish side. So let's see how things goes. If we move along in terms of ASHR wise, we do see a bounce over here, bounce over here, bounce over here. So definitely a very good sign. I do think that we do lean towards further upside, but bear in mind, we do have any more kind of further retracement itself. We still do not want it to break below the 50 simple moving average in order to maintain the bullish momentum. And then finally for KWAV itself, definitely consolidating over here is extremely a good sign, even though we are towards the lower end of it. But as long as you do not close below the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart, along with the 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart as well, both of which are extremely bullish sign. So you're just going to maintain over here for one more day, and then tomorrow. Yeah, and then that's about the energy actually today. So we have only like 4 hours left to go. And upon that, the very next candle, as you can see, will be on the 3rd of January. There'll be the very next year itself on the very first day. So volatility is likely to come back, maybe on the first or second day, we do not know. But otherwise, it looks like a very good sign, especially if we do get up, actually open higher. But of course, if we do get down lower, we still potentially could still bounce to a strong higher high as long as we find support and not break below this high over here, which also coincide with the 200 simple moving average as well. So yeah, let's see how things goes. I'm definitely more towards the bullish side of things. And with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop out your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.